Hey, what's up guys, I hope all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A32, and also today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 rollout for the Galaxy S23 series. So starting off with the first update for the Galaxy A32, for that simply go into the settings, then you have to tap on software update, and from there you will get to see that a new update will be available. The last update that I got on this device was of 1st January 2025 security patch. Now when you will tap on download and install, you will get to see that there's a new security patch level of 1st March 2025 available of 212 MBs in size. If you talk about what's new, so it includes some device stability improvement, bug fixes and new or enhanced features. Simply tap on download to download this update. First of all, you will have to download the update, and after downloading this update, you will have to install this update. And for that, simply tap on install now. But do keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during this installation process, and this installation process will take a lot of time. So simply tap on install now when your device is completely free, and it will be installed on your device. And once the installation is done, your device will automatically restart. And now if we talk about the One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 update was released for the Galaxy S24 series, and now it is finally rolling out on the Galaxy S23 series as well. But for now it is limited to some countries, and gradually it will be available into your country as well. Simply tap on the settings and keep an eye on the software update, and let me on the comment section that did you got the One UI 7 update on your Galaxy S23 series or not yet. And if you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.